Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about how we can configure the collection in Hibernate, and we also got to know that this is the annotation which will help us to override this feature. So for now we have this whole thing. Let's drop now these two things, so country and states, because we are going to change the structure. So I'm going to drop these tables again, but this time it will be a customized way, and everything remains fine except the mapping. So once we map at element collection, after this you can write at join, okay, join table. Every annotation should be picked from persistence API. Make sure you don't import from any other place. Okay, after this there's a field name is name. The attribute name is this, and there you can give the table name. So what I want to call that my table name, it is states TB. Okay, so I'll go back here, let's call it states table. What about the primary key? I want to change the primary key as well, right? So right now it is country ID, country underscore ID. I want to just call it C underscore ID. So for that there is a field name, or the attribute name is join columns. Then equals, then add join column again, and here you have to give the name. What you want to call that name? So name equals this, and I want to call it C underscore ID. And yep, that's it. Once you add this kind of annotation and with this configuration, Hibernate detects, okay, so the auto generated table name should be statesdb, and whatever the column ID we are going to use, it should be CID. Okay, so that's the only thing you have to change in your existing entity class. Then go back to the existing tester file and run the code. Run as application. Okay, now you can see still we have to create tables, but now the second table is states underscore tb. Okay, and check out the column names. Now it becomes C underscore ID. Okay, that's nice. So that means we are able to customize the auto generated table and its column. What about the database? So let's go there, refresh, so it will load. Country remains same because we have not done any change, but now table name is changed. It becomes states tb. And if you open this, it has CID, right, and states. So that's the impact of using add join table, and by using add join table annotation we can customize the default behavior of collection. That's it for this video guys. If still you have query or question, feel free to drop your questions in comment section. Thanks for watching this video guys. Bye bye.